we are. We are at the Scrappers Stadium, Eastwood Field, which is a minor league team of the Cleveland Indians. We are going to be getting our tickets to come to tonight's game. I can't see you. Are you there?
I look like Cousin Ed. There we go.
But yeah, headed to the Scrappers game tonight. But before this, we have to go to the parade, 4th of July parade, because this girl is walking in it, passing things out. So come join us, won't you?
Happy 4th of July.
So I am sitting out here with Phil and Kathy, waiting for the parade to start. Kristen's way up there, getting ready to walk it. We got about another hour or so before it reaches us, if not more.
Oh, we're enjoying it.
Yeah, we're just hanging out and watching traffic. So we'll check back with you in a little bit. And we started. So hopefully we can find Kristen in all this. We'll see. Love these old cars. I'll take a motorcycle too. Can't have parades without minions. Of course, Frozen has to be represented too.
Thank God.
Those stormtroopers are floating. Well, that's different. Look, it's Kristen. Here she goes.
Hey, Chris!
Are you having fun?
What?
Are you having fun?
Tired. You want water?
Yes, thank you.
The parade wouldn't be complete without a band. So, the parade is over. How'd it go?
It was good. We ran out of stuff early on, like I told the people we were. But, you know, other than that, it was really good.
Yep.
Had a lot of fun doing it.
Kathy's still back there. Phil's still over there. And we are sitting outside of the Scrappers Stadium, where you seen us this morning, waiting for the rain to pass. We had a good cookout, which was so good we forgot to film any of it.
We were hungry.
Which tends to happen with food that's really good. We tend to forget to film stuff because we're too busy eating it. But it's just hamburgers, hot dogs, you know, your 4th of July picnic. Now we're going to, I think, head into the stadium pretty soon to see if we're going to get this game off or not. And hopefully have some fireworks at the end.
Hopefully.
So we'll see you guys inside. Well, we made it in the stadium. Rain let up, so we're getting ready to play some ball. About another couple minutes, 5-10 minutes before they start. But we'll show you a couple plays, see what we can get for you, and hopefully, fingers crossed, fireworks tonight. So if you're not following us on Snapchat and Twitter and Instagram at The Rush Vlog, you're going to be missing out on all our posts that we, live posts we're doing. So make sure you're following us on those. Anything else? See you in a little bit.
In the
as you see, the umbrellas are up. It started raining again. And the ball is hit off the roof. Which direction do we park again?
That way.
The way the ball went?
Yes.
Oh, man. All right, well, quick update. It is still 0-0. And we are in the bottom of the second.
End of the second.
End of the, oh, they just finished. End of the second. Top of the third. Nothing like a t-shirt toss.
Look. I got one.
Paul got a t-shirt finally. Hey guys, who doesn't love some nachos? Me too. We're still at the game. We did finally score though, so it's 1-0. Let's see, I don't know what inning it is. There we go, it's the middle of the fifth. There we go. Well, we're gonna continue to watch the game.
Somebody for your scratch, brother.
I don't know anything about any of these drinks.
Regular coffee, iced latte, and iced coffee.
What?
The white one's a regular coffee. The one with the straws is an iced coffee. And the other one with the whipped cream's a latte.
Regular coffee won. Woohoo! Boo. Little brawl going on. Everybody settle down. Oh, they're coming out too. Everybody wants to say hi to each other.
Sure, that's what it is.
Jeez. Seventh inning stretch, and we are winning 2-0. Yay! So that was a bad inning for us, and now we're losing 3-2. Boo! Boo! we lost. Boo. Sad face. But there's fireworks coming.
Yay!
I'm tired.
Me too.
Why is my camera string being attacked?
By Niobe's.
Where is she?
She went down.
Oh. We were being attacked. How are the fireworks?
Really good.
I loved them. I
Yeah.
thought they were really good. The game was really good even though we lost.
Yeah, I thought that last little inning, we might pull ahead, but it
No.
didn't happen.
No, double play. Kills you every time.
Yeah.
And the parade was actually pretty good too.
Mhm.
But now you hurt.
Yeah, I hurt my foot.
That sucks.
It does. It really hurts.
So we're going to rest our foot, edit this, and go to bed since it's already late.
Yeah.
So we will talk to you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Don't forget to check tomorrow to see who won the contest.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Ow, no.
Yeah, we'll be drawing the name tomorrow and doing the viewer map. So if you want to get on the viewer map in the comments below, let us know where you're watching from, and we will make sure you get on the map tomorrow.
Yeah.
Other than that, we will see you then.
Good night.